Let's explore how to effectively use Business Research Agent today. This video will walk you through key steps to maximize the application's functionalities. This agent can generate agent ideas, search contact information on internet, and send invitation email based on the entered name or company name. Click on Start Chatting button to initiate a conversation. Fill in the target fields for analysis and generation, below username, email address, company name or company. Here we entered Elon Musk as input for analysis. The agent will organize the answer with 3 parts: personal info, 3 agent ideas, and invitation email. The agent will utilize the configured tools to search for relevant data on Elon Musk, including his profile, career, company information, and more, and generate the industry summary analysis as well. The agent will generate 3 tailored agent ideas based on the retrieved information, specifically designed to appeal to him. Another content generated is invitation email template, which he can directly apply. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use Business Research Agent.